Hey guys, Portia here, and today I will be creating a faux ice topper for my 16-ounce tumbler here. This is something that I've been seeing online and I think is a really cute idea, and I want to give it a try myself. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so we will be using our E6000 as well as a hot glue gun. We have our faux ice, I picked that up from Amazon, and a piece of faux fruit, and I just took this out of a flower arrangement that I already had. And of course we got our top. So there is no rhyme or reason to do this. You can get the big ice cubes like this, and they even have it whereas the little acrylic pieces look like crushed ice. I'm going to go ahead and put down a little bit of, I think I'm going to put it on here, hot glue first. And for me, it's about symmetry. And I think I liked it there. So I'm going to go ahead and add the E6000. So it's like the hot glue stabilizes it, and the E6000 is going to ensure that it sticks and stays. Okay, and so we got one piece down there, and I know for sure I already want my fruit slice to be opposite of, yeah, that looks good, to be opposite of my straw, because I think that's visually appealing when they are opposite of one another instead of like all clunky together. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this down. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm going to continue to work alternating between the hot glue, a little bit of the E6000, if I can get it out, and continue to go all the way around until I have something that looks pretty good. The great thing I like about this is you can kind of move it if you put the ice slice, or I'm sorry, the ice piece in a place that you don't really like it. You can move it before it dries. I'm gonna put that right there. A little bit more. Okay. Now I am working around the top here. Eventually I may not be able to get to it, but we still are able to clean the underside pretty well. And I'm going to continue to move around. All right, it's almost there, looking pretty cute. And a little bit more. I want to put this one right here. Alright, so I think it looks pretty decent for my first try. I do want to get in these little spots and get rid of the excess glue before it sets up. Now, I did also make some little faux raspberries, and I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. It doesn't look right to me. It does add a little bit more color, but I think we'll roll with what we got here. And I'm not sure, nope, we don't want to cover that up. So yeah, I think this topper is so far so good. And now let's go ahead and get, I think I should move this one before it solidifies. What do you guys think? Because it's like completely blocking that, unless I call that the back. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and move on to getting our tumbler wrapped. All right, now for our wrap, I did purchase the image from Etsy, and I did change the background. So there was a background that matched more so of this tone, and I added the water effect because I like the texture that I feel like it's going to provide our tumbler. So let's go ahead and get wrapped. Now I am going to use this mat to compensate for the tumbler being skinny, because it is too skinny for our Cricut Mug Press. Alright guys, so we are hot out of the press. I did all my rotations, my up and down and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off and we will unwrap together. Alrighty. Ooh, I am loving it. Let's show them what we got, baby. The colors are nice and bright. I got a little ghosting right there, but I'm not worried about it. Don't mind it, a little bit at the bottom, but we are clear and vibrant. We totally know what's going on. And guys, I am happy with this. So I do have a little residue on there from the sublimation paper, but that's okay. I'll just wipe that off. So let's go ahead and get our tumbler dressed with its little cute hat. I am loving this. It's not taking long for this to set, but the rule of thumb is normally 24 hours, but it's pretty solid right now. Like they're not moving like at all, and it hasn't been that long. So yeah guys, this was a really fun project, quick as well. I will say though, the E6000 and the hot glue gun together were like two bad kids making a big old mess. Yeah, completely of the devil. But yeah, that's all I have for you all today. If you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.